Hualiyuan Lithium Energy Company Limited was established in 2013. It is located in Jiangxi City, Jiangxi Province. Our company is a high-tech enterprise that produces 18650, 26650 Li-ion batteries and related products. We are possessing about 360 professional workers, more than 30,000 square meter manufacturing area. Our three-phase production workshop will be finished in 2019, and our daily production will reach 2 million pieces. Especially 26650, our production scale and level will be one of the leaders of battery industry. Our batteries have performed well on safety, stability, consistency, cycle life, high and low temperature performance, cell discharge and capacity. It is widely used in many areas like new energy EVs, storage energy, and digital products. With years of experience for R&D, we have got lots of related patents for our batteries, and we have got the certificates of CE, ROHS, UL, FCC, CB, and BIS. Nowadays, our batteries already won reputation for quality and service in domestic market, and we will start to promote our batteries to global markets in 2019. Hualiyuan is committed to provide quality products, service, and solutions for customers to create more value. We are welcomed ODM OEM customers and hope we can be win-win strategic partners.